As I'm always showing you in Indonesia, the instant noodles, or pop me as we call it, and in America, cup of noodles. Well, here's the Australian version. Fantastic. Look at that flavor. Crispy bacon, chicken and corn, chicken, beef. And of course I found the real Indomie, and they come in a big pack, a 10-pack. How cool is that? This right here is what's wrong with the world, and it's showing up in every country now. Okay, so as you can see behind me, I just went to the IGA supermarket, and since I've been eating so much of that lovely place, Belvedere's, with the awesome coldest beer in town and many selections, I figured 2 nights in a row is probably enough. I bought some foods that I could microwave at the homestay, including Australia's version of a chicken pot pie, and I found mee goreng, like cup of noodles, like Indomie, and then I got the Australian brand of Indomie. Awesome. Just to show you guys how the last couple days that I've been walking around here in Perth and Belmont, it's been blazing hot and I was sweating, and now with this little bit of cloud cover we got going, the breeze feels amazing. It's cool. It's a nice maybe mid-70s right now. Alright, so checked out of the hotel. It's finally time to get out of Perth. And the last time I was here, I remember specifically, I had the Uber drop me off at Terminal 1. And when I got there, found out that I was literally a couple miles away from my flight. So of course, this time, I took the Uber to Terminal 2. Just went in and found out I'm a couple miles from my flight. Okay, just walked down the stairs. Now we're in the jetway, about to leave Perth finally and go sleep in my own bed tonight. It's gonna be great. Sorry I didn't get much action from the airport, but I am happy to leave and tired and hope to nap on the plane. Alright, so back in Bali, and it feels great. You know, this was the quickest time I ever made it through the airport, and it just goes to show you one of the things that is so wonderful about this place. And just back to freedom, back to true freedom. I went up to the VOA counter, just like that, joking with the guy, got my VOA, went straight up to the front, went right through, joking with the other guy, passed up all the baggage claim because I don't carry a lot of shit, pretty much walked straight out, just handed my my customs slip, and now just waiting for Mama to show up on the PCX so I can ride it home. So good to be back in Bali after Perth, and just back to normal everyday stuff like laundry, for example. Looks like we need gas, but actually that'll last us another day or two easy. And then here we are picking up our laundry at the laundry place, and it's just back to normal day to day, peaceful. Check it out. So I never use this idling stop feature ever, except now I just realized it's perfect when you're just parked for a moment to get some fresh chicken. So now I have a use for it. Well, it's a new day, and you can really tell how dirty our wall is, can't you? So I think we're just gonna take a fun little ride up to Ubud, which we do often when we can. Because when is it ever not fun to see a monkey walking around and just enjoy a cold Coke, you know, on the street on Monkey Forest Road? So I've concocted a very nice route because we actually have some errands and some things that we need. This place, MK Motorbike, I am looking for a backrest to install on our PCX. which will make it a little more comfortable for Big Monyet, that's Alma, when we go riding on long trips. So I'm going to check this place, which is about 20 minutes from here to MK Motorbike, and then it's about another 30 minutes up to Ubud. Pretty easy route. You can see there's only a couple of red spots, although this corner right here is always jam-packed with traffic, but that's okay. Well, the girls concurred and we are off, so come along, let's have a good time. First stop, plenty of gas. Well, that wasn't so bad. Big right turn coming up, and this is one where I'm always confused whether I should take the right side or the left side. Alright, so this is the turn I'm talking about, but it looks like today it's going to be rather simple. Maybe. Sometimes you just got to forge your way right through like this. There you go, that's how it's done. And then sometimes you get a narrow little alley like this in your route. You may or may not be prepared for it, so there's another lesson right there. Now we're obviously going to go right, which means we're going to make the cut over right away. Just like that. And of course into backed up traffic, but that's okay because we're going to make an immediate left. And it looks like it's going to be another narrow one like this. But take it easy, take it slow. It's okay to ride your brake a little bit. Better than having to make a sudden stop, that's for sure. Then you get a narrow little bridge, you beep, like that. Then you get a little momentum and get up the hill. Feel that Honda power. Woohoo, like a roller coaster. Yeah. Then we come up to a very sharp right turn pretty soon. I should have gone for it, you see? That's why you don't hesitate. But it's always nice when you have people to help you out like this. Like this dude right here. Perfect. I get confused because everybody wants to take the right side, and if they do, I typically follow them. When all else fails and you're stumped, follow the pack. Pretty much can't go wrong, even though we have a left turn coming up. Done. Well, we stopped here on this street hoping there would be an auto store I was looking for, and we can't find it, so we're going straight on to Maha on Monkey Forest Road, Ubud. So we've got about 30 minutes north to head and we'll be there. As you can see, we had to stop at Perth. Just wanted to get a quick video, and now we're out of here. Next stop, let's rock. Forest Road. So here you go. So now this is JL Monkey Forest Road. Oh, there's a monkey right there. So there's another entrance there. That's the one we used before. And now the trick is to find parking by our favorite place to... And we made it. Ice cold Coke, real sugar. So check it out, we were sitting there and it only took 2 minutes and now we got our favorite table right here in the front. And we already got our salt and pepper ready to go for the fries. And there you go. I know you know this spot by now if you've watched any of my videos. In fact, you're probably getting bored of it. So the girls ordered tempura, which we've never tried here before. We're you Japanese food-loving people, and a funny green shake. Not a lot of monkeys out today, but here's a nice view of JL Monkey Forest Road, looking toward the monkey forest where you see all those trees. And then a lot of shops on this street, a lot of tourists, a lot of people walking around. And then this is the place that we always eat at, called Maha. Even when there's no monkeys out, it's still just an awesome ride. It's less than an hour. You get out of the house and you just sit here and you drink a cold Coke. And this is Operation Go Find the Girls because they went to get candy. Let's do it. As you can see, the taxi drivers are always sitting around trying to get some business. Okay, 1 hour home, got a full tank of gas, and perfect time for some riding. Yeah, good time. Through the wilderness, up the hill. So as we're leaving Ubud, Mama told me she wants to stop at one little store on the way back, the way we came. I said, yeah, of course, you know, no big deal. So you've got this relatively busy street that comes out of Ubud. Now on the other side is the store that she wanted to stop at, but you can see that the parking is absolutely crammed full. So unless you're passing by when somebody's backing out, there's really nowhere to park. And it goes all the way up to the corner. So I had no choice but to pull off over here, let the girls go in and have their fun, and I gotta watch all the stuff. Okay, we're back. Here we are in the parking garage. I'm tired. Gonna go upstairs, relax. Hope you enjoyed. Good night. It's a new day. We're going to Honda. And check this out. I'm gonna have a new brake shoe put on our Honda Beat, and I can't believe the price when you convert it to USD is less than $5. On that trip to Ubud yesterday, I averaged 51.7 kilometers per liter and didn't even use a single bar of gas yet. That's so cool. Well, as you can tell now, we're at Togo Fresh. Mama needs to do some shopping, and there was really nothing to show you at Honda. Oh, but the good news, the rear brake on our Honda Beat feels factory new. Amazing, love it.